Today is day 18 of 100 days of Power BI, and the goal and objective of this live stream is to learn and master the data analytics tool Microsoft Power BI over the next 100 days. So without further ado, let's get started.
In this video, we will learn a useful feature of Power Query that can help you quickly summarize key characteristics of your dataset. We'll use this feature to help us identify and fix common errors that might appear in our data. Power Query, as we've mentioned previously, is a data preparation tool that helps us transform our data into a state that is more suitable for analysis. To do this, we should have a way of quickly investigating our dataset to allow us to diagnose what transformations are needed. This is where the data preview features of Power Query come in. To access the data preview features, you simply enable them in the View ribbon of Power Query. There are three types of data previews: column distribution, column quality, and column profile. We will learn the exact nature of these features as well as when to use them in the following slides. An important thing to note when working with large datasets is that by default, data previews will only analyze the data in the first 1,000 rows of your dataset. However, you can change that option by clicking on the column profiling based on the top 1,000 rows box present at the bottom left of the Power Query editor. The main reason to use data preview features is to help you find errors and inconsistencies in your dataset. As you apply your transformations step by step, you can also see how the characteristics of your dataset change. So it's also a great way to see if the transformation you applied had the desired effect. Finally, they are a powerful tool to quickly summarize the data in your columns and help you take decisions about what transformation to apply next. The